Welcome to How to Basic Apex. Today we are going to talk about adding images in Oracle Apex and what you can do with them. First, go to your database. In the table Employees, add a column named Picture. For the data type, select Blob, select Nullable, click Apply. The best way to add data is by first creating a form page. Select the Employees table. Click Next, click Create Page, run the page. We will add a custom employee. Enter the employee details, select a picture of your choice. Click Create. To check if it worked, go to the application. Click Create Page. Select Cards, enter a name, select the Employees table as the database. Click Next, then Create Page, run the page. As you can see, no picture is displayed yet. Go back to the application. Select the item in the body, go to Attributes. Scroll down to Media. Select Source, Blob column, choose the picture column we created. If asked, select the primary key for the card, run the application again. Now, the picture is displayed. You can customize the columns by changing the SQL code. For example, if you want the first and last name together, add first underscore name, last underscore name as full underscore name. Go to Attributes, and for title, select full underscore name, run the application. Now, the full name appears as the card title. You can also change the image by editing the column. We explained in a previous video how to edit rows in a database, so check that video for more information. If everything looks good, you've successfully configured images in Oracle Apex. So in short, you can manage and use images in Apex in three main ways: upload them as static application files, store them in a database BLOB column, link them from an external URL, then display them using HTML, page attributes, or region templates.